Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hopefully you all are enjoying good health. Well, we are continuing the topic of brain. The first part of brain, that is forebrain, has been discussed in the previous video. The second part of brain is midbrain, under discussion right now. Writing note on midbrain is an important short question, as well as the short question can also be asked in the form of define midbrain and write its functions. Midbrain lies between hindbrain and forebrain and connects the two. Functions of midbrain include: it receives sensory information and sends it to the appropriate part of forebrain. Midbrain also controls some auditory reflexes and posture. This is the basically function and definition of midbrain. If they ask about the MCQs, then it will be in the form of the auditory reflexes and posture is controlled by midbrain. Midbrain lies between hindbrain and forebrain. Midbrain connects the two parts of brain. Alright students, as you can easily see, this is the diagram of structure of human brain. The short question can be asked in the form of draw the structure of human brain. Write the names of its parts. So this is the diagram of human brain, and the names of its three major parts is forebrain, midbrain, and third one is hindbrain. With proper labeling, you have to draw this diagram of human brain. This block contains an important short question, that is define brain stem. The medulla oblongata, pons and midbrain connect the rest of brain to spinal cord. They are collectively referred to as brain stem. Next topic is hindbrain, which is the third and last part of brain. How many parts of hindbrain are there is the first question on this page. Hindbrain consists of three major parts. Number one is medulla oblongata, number two is cerebellum, and number three is pons. Students, you must be clear about the name cerebellum, which is the part of hindbrain. Cerebrum, which we have discussed before, is the part of forebrain. I repeat it, cerebrum is the part of forebrain, while cerebellum is the part of hindbrain. Define medulla oblongata, write its major functions. Medulla oblongata lies on the top of spinal cord, and the functions of medulla oblongata are there. Define cerebellum, write its functions. Cerebellum is behind medulla. It coordinates muscle movements. What is pons? Write its location. Also write some of its functions. The last question on this page. The answer of this question is pons is present on the top of medulla. It is the location of pons, and function of pons includes it assists medulla in controlling breathing. It also serves as a connection between cerebellum and spinal cord. Moving towards the MCQs, there are major three parts of hindbrain. Which part is located at the top of spinal cord? Medulla oblongata of hindbrain. Breathing, heart rate and blood pressure is controlled by medulla oblongata. Information that pass between spinal cord and the rest of brain pass through medulla. Another MCQ includes the muscle movements are coordinated by cerebellum. Pons is present on the top of medulla. The last MCQ on this page includes a connection between cerebellum and spinal cord is the pons. Well students, these were some of the important short questions and MCQs in the given topics today. We have discussed them briefly. This is the end of the topic brain. We will discuss the spinal cord in the next video inshallah. Okay, thank you students.